guys, it's Tika and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you can be notified every time I post a delicious video. Guys, just when we thought the best couldn't get any better, somehow AAXA has managed to improve on greatness. And today we get to take a first look at their new LED Pico Plus pocket projector. The Pico Plus is actually the updated version of their original pocket projector with some new upgrades and additional features. So let's go ahead and get right into this.
In the box, we have some protective packaging. We also have a welcome card and our instruction manual. Of course, we have our projector itself, and we'll be speaking more on that a little bit later. In the bottom of the box, we also have a mini tripod. We have some cables. We also have a charger. And to my surprise, we have a mini HDMI to HDMI cable, and I am shook. This is what I use primarily, so I'm really excited to see this in the box.
I'm not gonna lie, seeing that HDMI cord really did make me very happy. It's almost like they thought about me when they put this together.
But that isn't all that AAXA had in mind with this upgrade. It is still slim, portable, and lightweight. As you can see, most of the connections are still in the same places. We have them along either side of our projector, as well as on the bottom. And if we do take a quick look at the original Pico projector with the LED Pico Plus, you will see, as I said, those connections are in the same places along the sides of our projector. We still have 720p resolution. We also have that tripod connector right on the bottom. And once we flip it over, we can see that we still have those buttons for easy access right on top. But the LED Pico Plus is not only larger, but there are a few little upgrades that we can get into. A notable mention here would be the extended battery life that is on the new LED Pico Plus. We have 2 full hours of battery life on this one, y'all. And do not let the size fool you. You can get up to 60 inches of projection with this tiny little projector. We also have a wireless mirroring function on this one. Now, I was sleeping on this function. I did not think that it was necessary, but after trying it out myself, seeing as I am a content creator and I do use my phone to record primarily, it's great to be able to use other devices and not have them crowding up my working space so that I can get great content and share it on my social platform.
The mirroring function is actually really easy to use. There are instructions right on the screen. Once you select the mirroring function on your device, that will take you step by step on how to connect your iPhone or your Android to the projector. Now, I'm not sure if it's because of the particular iPhone that I have, but I actually had a little trouble connecting the way that is instructed. What worked for me was going into my Wi-Fi settings and connecting my phone to the projector using the code that is provided, then heading on over to my drop menu and selecting the mirror setting. And then my projector was connected. This actually wasn't an issue for me, but I did feel like it was worth mentioning just in case you run into something similar. It's really easy to get around. So, final thoughts. Let's talk about pros and cons.
For the pros, I love the fact that this projector is completely portable. You can take it camping, and if you're into van life, you can take it there too. The charger is compact and easy to charge on the go, and it's really affordable, retailing at $149.99 on Amazon. I like that we have an extended battery life, which means longer streaming and gameplay. And more than anything, I'm really excited about that HDMI to mini HDMI cord.
Guys, I love my HDMI, so I was really excited to see that cord in the box. But the mirroring feature is still pretty dope too. The only con that I have, the con that I always have every time I do this, is that you cannot charge the projector while it is in use. I'm pretty sure there is a great reason why they do this, but I mean, if they could just add that feature into this projector, it would literally be perfect.
The tripod is another con that I usually mention here. It is not very sturdy to hold up these projectors at all, especially this new design. It is not centered in the projector, so there is just too much weight on the opposite end, which causes it to topple over, but a quick fix to this is just to use your own.
So to sum things up, the LED Pico Plus pocket projector really is an amazing little tool, and I definitely suggest that if you are interested in something completely portable that you can take with you camping, or you can take with you doing van life if you are a cookie decorator like myself, this is definitely something that you want to have. I had the original, as you guys know, and I still have a stand and all of the appliances that I bought for that one. This projector fits right into those two if you are someone who is looking to upgrade and you're kind of worried, are you going to have to buy all new supplies? If you are a cookie decorator, you've already got all the things. No, you can still use this projector in the original stand that fit the first pocket projector as well. So you're good, you're straight, you don't have to do anything else. Again, it is very affordable and it is one of my favorite tools. You will find it in my Amazon storefront in my favorite tools. It's right there along with some of the other things that I like to use as well. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye.